Right now, somewhere in your mind. You might be replaying a conversation that hasn't happened yet. Maybe it's tomorrow's meeting. Maybe it's a text you're about to send. Maybe it's an argument you're dreading. Your brain does this constantly, quietly running simulations of the future, over and over, without you even asking it to. Today, we're breaking down why this happens, and when it quietly wrecks your nerves before anything even happens. Psychologists call this perspection, the brain's ability to mentally simulate future events. It's not daydreaming for fun. It's your brain running a kind of internal rehearsal. And here's the wild part. Brain scans show that imagining the future and remembering the past use almost the same neural network. Your brain is basically using old memories as raw material to build a preview of tomorrow. This isn't a glitch. It's a survival feature. Thousands of years ago, imagining what if a predator is behind that rock before walking past it could save your life. Today, the predators are different. A hard conversation, a big presentation, a first date. But the same ancient wiring kicks in. Used well, this is a superpower. Athletes call it visualization. Olympic skiers have been shown to mentally run through an entire race, and their brains fire in patterns nearly identical to actually skiing it. Done deliberately, mental rehearsal builds real confidence. But here's the catch. If your brain can't tell the difference between a vividly imagined success and a real one, it also can't fully tell the difference between an imagined disaster and a real one. If you keep replaying the worst version of a conversation, your body reacts as if it's happening right now. Cortisol rises. Your heart rate climbs. You walk into the real moment already exhausted from a fight that only happened in your head. So how do you take back control? First, notice when you're rehearsing. Second, rehearse the version you want. Visualize yourself staying calm, speaking clearly, handling it well. Third, keep it brief. A short rehearsal helps you prepare. An endless loop just feeds anxiety. Your brain is going to rehearse the future whether you ask it to or not. The only real choice you have is what you hand it to rehearse. Next time you catch yourself spiraling into a worst-case scenario, pause and consciously replace it with the version where you're calm, capable, and in control. You're not just imagining the future. You're training for it. If this helped you understand your own mind a little better, hit subscribe. More mind tricks like this. Thank you.